Look at this. Look at this.
Is that what it? Oh, that actually broke on my glasses. Well, you were supposed to do that. You were supposed to do that when you were cracking the egg in the dish.
I didn't know how hard it. Your head is harder than it looks.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and
We're the Clark Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
That didn't seem like much energy. It kind of fell flat for me.
Well, let's let Steve do it. Maybe he'll put something super exciting in the front. I've got a couple of things planned I can't tell you about later in the episode.
Really?
Yeah. I think he's going to be able to find something goofy, and he's going to be able to put that in the episode. Leading up, that first 5 seconds.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyways, hey, here's what we got going today. We are in the kitchen, as you couldn't tell. I mean, if you couldn't tell. And we're in California, where it's a little hot. We're getting ready to go to a pool party tomorrow. And
it's kind of a brunchy kind of a thing because it's at 8 o'clock,
brunch,
right?
and it's a, what do they call, potluck. It's a potluck. You're supposed to bring something. So we are cooking up a quiche.
This is our first catering opportunity.
Don't call us to cater your parties unless we're invited and we can drink with you. I mean, we can be there with you.
Right.
So we are making a crustless spinach quiche, and it looks like it's going to be amazing. Not super difficult, and we're going to get right at it.
Yeah. So check us out. We're going to lay the ingredients out for you and show you how simple it really is.
Yeah.
We've never done it, so
right.
We'll see how.
And while we're coming back to you, hit the post notifications, turn on the subscribe button, and
give us a big thumbs up.
It doesn't cost you a dime. Just reach over there and push the thumb.
Yeah, it helps us out a bunch.
Yeah.
I mean, kinda.
Well,
there's no monetary reward.
It's all relative.
Yeah.
We'll love you back if you love us.
And if you're a Heart alumni, definitely push the follow.
Now, most of our viewers don't even know what that means.
No, probably not.
Yeah. All right, here's the ingredients. Look, that doesn't look too complicated.
It's a lot of eggs is what I'm getting, and a lot of cheese.
Look at this. Look at this.
Is that what it? Oh, that actually broke on my glasses. Well, you were supposed to do that. You were supposed to do that when you were cracking the egg in the dish.
I didn't know how hard it. Your head is harder than it looks.
All right, so Ken's gonna walk us through this while I clean off my glasses.
Okay. So clearly a lot of eggs. We got some sour cream. We got spinach. This spinach is kind of cool. It's frozen spinach in a box that you find in the frozen veggie section. We got nutmeg, salt, pepper, minced garlic. They calls for 1 clove. We ended up just pulling out, I think, a tablespoon of minced garlic. You got a little something on right there.
Right there? Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh, that was a good one.
Oh.
Hey, look at that. I can still salvage.
You drew blood.
I can still salvage the egg. I can still salvage the egg.
Well, we need the
Get
egg
us a bowl.
whites.
Get us a bowl.
I don't have a bowl. You're making a mess of things. Quiet on the set, will ya? Okay.
We got a bowl. All right, here we go.
All right, so then we got these scallions, which are otherwise known as wild onions or whatever they call them, and then a bunch of cheese, right? So it's mostly eggs and cheese. Oh yeah, and we got some bell pepper. And notice that the bell pepper and the scallions is mostly there. Obviously, it's going to improve the taste a little bit, but it's also there for color.
Right.
We got red and green, and because the eggs are going to be mostly white, yellowish.
It's it's twice as many egg whites as there are eggs, right?
Yeah.
It's a lot. So, and that keeps it lean, keeps it low calorie, but it also can make it kind of bland.
Yeah.
Like not have a lot of flavor. So
egg whites
just be aware, if you're making like an egg white omelet, you need to add some other stuff in there for the flavor piece. Because it'll kind of taste kind of bland.
Yeah. So we got some eggs to crack, even more eggs than we've already cracked, and we're gonna come right back when we've got the first.
Did you tell them about our chopped spinach?
I did. I told them about the chopped spinach, and we're gonna chop up these guys too, and we're gonna cook them on the stove. That's really the next step. So we're gonna carve up these.
Well, we gotta drain these and strain these.
And we got it. Yeah. Well, that's happening in the background. we had to thaw them out. We didn't do a great job of thawing them, so we got them in the microwave now. Sort of trying to thaw them out, and then we gotta pat them dry. We don't want there to be too much moisture.
It says actually squeeze them, like you put them in a towel and you squeeze them so you're getting all the moisture out. Because you don't want the quiche mixture to be all watery.
Yeah. Chopping these scallions. My brother's chopping. This is gonna give us that green color, and it's gonna give us a little bit of an onion thing too. I'm not a pro. I just hacking and slashing here. and I think we need lots of this. So unfortunately, this is all we had left from another recipe that we did the other day. So we're kind of going with what we got. Let me show you this bell pepper. I'm not perfect at it, but the idea is you cut from the side like this and you kind of roll the bell pepper so that you don't end up with a bunch of seeds, and you can take the core out as you go. And
wow,
like I said,
it looks like he's learned a couple of things from our...
And that's what I was telling you before. This is mostly about just digging in there and doing it, right? So now we got, you know, it's mostly decored, de-seeded, and we can chop this. He's over there ready to squeeze the spinach. Okay,
Look at the spinach.
Tell us what we did.
All right, so the spinach was in this box. It
Yeah.
was in a frozen block. We took it out, but we didn't take it out soon enough, so my brother had the genius idea. If you put it in the microwave, it usually cooks the center first, so it kind of thawed it out pretty fast. I think it took like 5 minutes or maybe 8 minutes or something, so it was pretty fast. And it's a little cool in the middle, but definitely thawed out, so we're gonna put it in our strainer. And I'm gonna put this here, and then I'm gonna turn on the water, cool water, and I'm just gonna run it through here a little bit just to make sure
We don't want it hot at this
that it's cool.
because that would just be complicated if you're trying to wring this out and it's hot.
So then I'm gonna take my dish towel.
Okay.
You do it that way first.
He's pressing.
Pressing
water.
on it. I'm just trying to. It basically said wring it out.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to wring it out. Put that in there,
And you fold the corners in to themselves,
and then I think we just let her run.
and then well you twist it.
You
To
sure?
tighten- yeah, twist it to tighten.
My brother, you think he has a cooking channel or something?
I know, but that's what you do. You twist it because a couple of these other things I've been the guy twisting. Okay. Nice work, buddy.
I got the pan going.
The viewers are going to get the idea that you do all the work here because I'm always on the other side of the camera.
I definitely.
It's an accurate retelling.
Okay, so this is the bell pepper and the chives, and we were a little light on the chives. Had we to do it again, we would have had a few more chives, but you know, hey, you roll with it. We might put some onion powder in there for flavor, but the chives we think are really for color. So now we've got this in here and it's going, and I think we add in the spinach, right?
Well, we add in it later. Once these are softened up.
So here's our
they said
spinach.
8
We've
minutes.
been wringing it out.
They said 8 minutes cooking it there. We
So
want
we're
it
gonna
to
cook
soften.
that for a little bit, and then we're gonna bring that spinach over, and we're gonna throw it in there. Okay, got it done here. I'm supposed to add in the garlic and the peppers, right? Or
The
garlic.
peppers are in there, buddy. Just the garlic. Just the garlic. Just the garlic.
And then I cook for a little longer.
Yep. You cook for another 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're gonna add in the spinach.
Okay, come back in a couple minutes.
So you're gonna crack 12 eggs gently, so that I can get
On your head or-
No.
Not on your
We're done with the egg cracking.
There's that. One,
I'm gonna get out the egg yolks. Wait,
2.
hang on.
It doesn't matter. You can do this stuff. Do you guys do this to your brother and sister? Do you try to tell you what's going on?
3. Are you paying attention? 4.
Here, you're counting.
Oh, you lost that.
Can you get it? Come on, get it.
No. Oh, I lost that one too. Oh,
5, 6, 7. This is like Count Chocula. 8 egg yolks. 11, 12, and then how many?
and then the rest of them, the rest of the eggs that we have there are just full eggs. So you can just crack those. You don't need to worry about the yolk. And
What about the ones that we did wrong?
It's all good, but they're counted as part of them, right?
I think we didn't count those ones as the egg. Probably.
I'm gonna whisk. And wait, let me whisk a little bit.
You sure? Maybe it doesn't really matter.
It matters because I like to be in control. Okay, so now, and the sour cream.
I'm gonna get the sour cream.
The sour cream's right here, buddy.
Oh, I know. Just relax.
You're waiting for me? I'm in charge.
I'm letting you whisk. I'm letting you whisk.
I'm in charge. Get it in here.
Does your brother or sister do this shit to you?
Wait, you can't use profanity. This is a family show.
Really?
This is a family show. Okay. I think I'm gonna need you to whisk for a little while.
I know your wrist is well seasoned.
Yeah, bring that over.
Bringing it over.
Bell pepper and the onions.
Garlic.
Yeah, and the garlic. We didn't get a lot of scallions, unfortunately, so we're not going to have that green color, but we might add in a dash of onion salt or onion powder to bring in the onion flavor. Okay. That's all the ingredients right here, buddy.
No, we got cheese and we've got spinach.
Oh, right.
Where does that go?
Right. That goes in.
Right now?
Bring
Ready?
it in, buddy. Bring it in. We're whisking away here.
Sure, your wrist can take
My
it?
wrist is a little tired, but
Switch hands. You're used to that. Switch hands.
okay, there's the cheese. Now it's really starting to get thick.
What? Wait for this lump to come in.
Well, I'm hoping that it doesn't make it more thick. Holy cow!
Oh, that
Wow! You didn't do me any favors with that. Could have broke it up a little bit. Someone was saying that without the crust, it might be a frittata. I don't know the difference, but
Well, if you know what the difference is, put it in the comments. That would be a good thing for us to know. Definitely getting thick. I'm trying to break up the spinach because we wrung it out and it was kind of a ball.
okay, buddy. Now here's what we got to do. We got to pour all this mixture into this pan. Now normally a quiche is made in a pie pan, but we thought because we're making a little bit more that it'd be better in a casserole pan.
Okay.
So we want to make sure there's about, I don't know, about a half an inch or maybe an inch of filling. And if we got too much, we're just going to set it aside because we're taking this with us tomorrow to a pool party. We don't want to eat it.
We are the chefs du jour. We're the gourmet.
We're the caterers?
The caterer.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ready?
I'm ready. Wow. Wow. Well, that's looking pretty good. I think this pan is going to be perfect.
We were worried that the pan might be not too big or not big enough. It's ready.
Okay.
Look at that. Wow.
Wait, I jiggle it. Like, show me the jiggle test.
There's no jiggle anymore.
Oh, no jiggle.
No jiggle or jangle. I think it's good.
It looks good. Do you think we need to let it cool before we cut it?
Yeah. I'm thinking we need to let it cool. Wow.
We're ready to do our taste test.
Well, so let's tell them what happened. So it was a little jiggly. We put it back in.
We put it in there for 25 minutes, but we know it was supposed to be in a pie pan and not a casserole dish. And we made 3 times the size of the recipe because we're taking it to a potluck, right? We wanted to make more.
We're the caterers.
So when we tried to pull it out the first time, it was definitely still watery, still jiggly. This is way better, no jiggle.
Right, no jiggle.
So let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna see if I can try and not let everybody at the party know tomorrow that we ate half. Look, it's got plenty of tomatoes or whatever. No, those are the bell
It's
peppers.
the bell peppers and spinach, right? Okay. What do you think?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah?
It could use a little hot sauce or something.
Okay, well, we can bring that tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
We'll bring a little extra
Yeah,
hot
maybe
sauce.
ketchup
'Cause it's
if you like
eggs and
ketchup.
stuff. A lot of people like
Yeah.
hot sauce. I really like it. It's good.
For sure. So, it wasn't complicated. We made it a little more complicated than it needed to be because we made a much bigger batch. We put it in a casserole dish, but you can totally do this. And if you do, let us know how it turns out.
Yeah.
You can contact us at clarhealth.com. We're there to help you if you need help with your health. Try and get your
Or
health in
just
order.
reply to the YouTube.
There you go. Just reply to the YouTube. And while you're there, hit the post notifications. Turn on the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up.
And until then, Clar Brothers Bistro, out.